In this video, I'll explain how a mentor can access individual mentee reports on a mobile. So first, go to your cohort by clicking My Cohort, and then scroll down to the cohort, click. You may expand this, and then you have all the mentee list. Click on this report icon to see anyone's report. You may choose landscape mode to see better. Now you're seeing mentee report. You can see all the assessments and the performance, the one which she has not attempted. When you go to the top, you will also see very interesting report called Mentee Improvement Report. So if you click on this, it will suggest the areas where this child can work to improve herself. So this is where various sections, correct, incorrect, and interestingly, this is where you see very interesting report where not only the subject, topic or the chapter, but it also tells you the basic concept which she is lacking. For example, in profit and loss, cost price is something which is she lacks. See the minute detail to which Dynamine goes. So this is how all the micro level feedback is given, and mentee can work on these areas to improve herself.